PA66 particles. PA66 particles pulverizer.
These plastic pulverizer machines are high-speed, precision grinders for the processing of medium-hard, impact-resistant and friable materials. Vibrating screen, installation of screen according to the grinding mesh. Continuous production, automatic classification and screening, easy to replace. The material to be pulverized is introduced through the center of a vertically fixed grinding disc, which is mounted concentrically with an identical high-speed rotating disc. Centrifugal force carries the material through the grinding area, and the resulting powder is collected with a blower and cyclone system. If you need to conduct powder testing, you can contact us first to inquire.